Hi, good morning guys. This is Abhishek and this is my first vlog coming to YouTube. तो पहला vlog है. I hope आप सबको अच्छा लगे. आज की ट्रिप हम शुरू कर रहे हैं गोवा से. गोवा heading to Amboli and we've just started the trip. It is now it's now 8. So I'll just introduce you to everyone over here. Just a minute. Starting off with, this is Manish.
Hi.
This is Manish, and followed by Gopal Bhai.
Hi.
This is Gopal, and
I'm Sidhya.
this is Sid.
Hi. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. We're just crossing सावंतवाड़ी. अभी सावंतवाड़ी क्रॉस किया है. Very well known for cashew nuts. यहाँ पर काफी फैक्ट्रीज हैं cashew nuts की.
And Amboli इसके पास में है.
Amboli इसके पास. That's our next stop.
Correct. So जो nearby village, जो जितने भी villages हैं, यहाँ पर कई फैक्ट्रीज हैं cashew nuts की. Raw cashews यहाँ से प्रोडक्शन होता है and all over world में सप्लाई होता है.
Right.
And then bricks के लिए भी ये फेमस है.
Bricks. तो गोवा का भी काफी कुछ यहाँ से ही आता होगा.
हाँ.
Construction में.
So you can say mostly Goa is again from the other side for the vegetable Belgaum we are dependent upon. And यहाँ से कई ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को की जो कनेक्ट करता है हमको महाराष्ट्र. मैक्सिमम लोग यही रूट पकड़ के गोवा आते हैं और महाराष्ट्र जाते हैं.
तो गाइज अभी हम पहुँचे हैं अम्बोली एंड आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर छोटी छोटी जगह हैं खाने पीने के लिए. तो वहाँ पर कुछ वाटरफॉल देखा.
That is the main waterfall.
अम्बोली वाटरफॉल. एक वहाँ पर अम्बोली वाटरफॉल है. We are in Kolhapur right now. I just did the Maha Mandir Lakshmi temple. We went there and now we're done. We're just heading to the main gate for collecting prasad. एक बार प्रसाद कलेक्ट करके लंच वंच खाना है. यहाँ से ले. किधर से जाना है? Okay, I'll keep you updated. Sorry, Manish, how is it going, man?
अरे मनीष नहीं, मंतेश. His name is Mantesh.
Mantesh, aka Manish.
After a long drive also, still the Josh is high.
The Josh is high.
Yes, still I'm there.
How is the Josh?
Hi.
गोपाल भाई.
Hi.
कौन लंबा है, आप या बिल गेट्स? तो अभी we are on our way to Pune. अभी क्या टाइम है? From Kolhapur we have already started. We are almost it's 3:47, almost 4 PM now. So I think by 7:38 we should be there. 7:38. Hopefully before. Depends on the traffic. So we have reached Punjabi Rasoi here in Pune. We just reached. very tired. Sorry about the background music. My mic is not working at the moment. And this is a beautiful place. Thanks to Siddharth. He showed us this place. I'll show properly. This is a place. Must come here. Beautiful place. We are really tired. We'll get back to you. We'll give you the next update. So now we are heading back to Mumbai. Not back to Mumbai, we are heading to Mumbai. And I just wanted to show you this place. We just bang next to the highway. Amazing food. Make sure you come here. Make sure you come here for good food. It's open, I think, till 3 AM at night. I'll just show you one sec. Yeah, this is a place, Punjabi Rasoi. Very nice place, just next to this Sentosa resort. This is a highway, and yeah, that's good food. And we are leaving now. I'll see you soon in Mumbai. Cheers. So we are leaving Mumbai now and heading to Panchgani. Another 5 hours trip to Panchgani. And yes, had a good time in Mumbai. We'll update you soon. We are here at a stopover for food during lunch. This is a few kilometers ahead of Lonavala. I'll show you around place to have lunch. So people normally have a stopover here if you're especially going towards Mahabaleshwaram. Good place to have lunch and freshen up and carry on with the trip. So बहुत भूख लगी है, अभी खाने जा रहे हैं, उसके बाद heading to Panchgani and Mahabaleshwaram. See you there. Okay guys, we are at Gates Point. Freezing cold. It's freezing cold. I think it's around 16 degrees now. And beautiful place, Gates Point, just after Shiv Temple. And there are many other points, but I would recommend to come for Gates Point. Hi. It's 11:15 now, and we are at Alishan. Amazing food. Amazing food. Really good food. What do you guys say?
You get the fresh chicken over here.
Not frozen. Not frozen. Amazing food. यहाँ पर आकर ऑर्डर कीजिए. It's called Alishan. ये हमारे दोस्त हैं. Safwan. Thank you.